Hello everybody and welcome to my tutorial on how to use Scratch. So today we're gonna build a quiz game. So let's jump in. So first we're gonna delete the Scratch cat here. Yes. Then choose a sprite. We're gonna choose characters 1. Then what we're gonna do is that we are going to set it to 0 and y to 0. And then after that, what we're going to do is that we're going to go to events, then bring when green flag clicked, and then head on to sensing and bring ask what's your name. And then we're going to make it say, what is 400 times 2? And then head on to control, bring a forever loop, and then after that we're gonna bring an if statement. Get rid of forever. If statement, and then after the if statement we're gonna head on to operators. Bring the equals to operator, and then bring sensing answer. If answer is equal to 800, then we're gonna head on to looks, and then we're gonna make it say, we're gonna bring the say block, and then we're gonna make it say correct for 2 seconds. After that, we're gonna bring another say block for the else statement. We're gonna make it say incorrect. After saying incorrect, then we're gonna head on to control. No. Yeah. Then bring wait 1 second. Then 1 second. Before that, we're gonna head on to sensing and we're gonna head on to looks, and then say the hello block, round 2. Wait 1 second. Set this to 1 second. And then after that, we're gonna head on to sensing. Ask block. What is 800 times 2? Then bring an else statement. Then bring an if else statement. And then head on to sensing, answer, head on to operators, equals to, then place answer inside of it. After that, set 50 to 1600. Then we're just gonna copy this say block. Now that we have duplicated it, we're going to place the first one and then set it to correct. And then incorrect. Now, let's check. What is 400 times 2? That is 800. Correct. Round 2. What is 800 times 2? 1600. Correct. So basically, good job, viewers. You guys have made a working quiz game with incorrect and correct answers. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and the like button and share this with friends and family. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye!